But for now, the SSG speaks.
Your Excellency, our leader, Governor of Akwa Ibom State, the Deputy Governor, all visiting governors, permit me to specially recognize my mother, Her Excellency Ekaite Unoma Goswill Akpabio. Honorable ministers here present, Akwa Ibom is song. Akwa Ibom is song. Your Excellencies, we didn't even need to be out here because even in the Executive Council, we had already said we had moved. So, Your Excellency, these are your first 11 members of the State Executive Council of Akwa Ibom State. Standing before you and speaking here is the very first APC Secretary to State Government in Akwa Ibom State. We have all come to say, Your Excellency, our leader, we will follow you. You are a true leader, a versatile father, one who is ready to listen at all times, one who is going to take Akwa Ibom to that place that we had always yearned for. A united Akwa Ibom, a developed Akwa Ibom. As your Secretary to State Government, I have been close enough to know your thoughts. I have been close enough to know your vision. And I know that you are going to take Akwa Ibom to places. This particular decision you've made, Your Excellency, we know is good for Akwa Ibom. We are here to tell you that we are following you all the way. Thank you, Your Excellency. APC!